so you get lost. So we have this concept that the Radha and Krishna are our Ishtadev. We worship them. We worship Radha and Krishna. We want to attain love for Radha and Krishna. But it's much more than that. It's so deep, and so it's all about romance. But as soon as you talk about romance and eroticism, then everyone gets nervous, and everybody starts looking out the window and picking their fingernails or something. Because the thing is, what is black on one plane, what is black on one plane is gold on another plane. So the eroticism and the love and the romance of Radha and Krishna is pure gold, pure diamonds, chintamani. Chintamani bhumi, chintamani rupam, chintamani lilam, chintamani namam, nama chintamani krishnas, chaitanya rasa vigraha, purna shuddha, purna nityamukta, vinatvam nama namano. Nama chintamani krishnas. Krishna's nama is chintamani, his rasa is chintamani, his lila is chintamani, his chintamani. Mani means gem, and chinta means thoughts. All your thoughts will become purified, elevated, and transcendental by being absorbed in Krishna's Nam, Rup, Gun, Lila. So we're worshipping an erotic lover and an erotic beloved. And we're meant to, in this Gopi Bhav, Mandri Bhav that Mahaprabhu came to, Mahaprabhu was a totally erotic personality. His whole Leela is about eroticism and romance. All the time he's just meditating, he's in Mahabhava of Radharani. And if you read the Chaitanya Charitamrita, what is it all about? The taste of your lips. They're taking prasadam, Mahaprasadam. And then Lord Chaitanya says, oh, so what is it? He says, he says, hey Ramananda, hey Ramananda, hey Sarup, hey Jagananda, hey Jaga, hey Jagai, hey Jagananda. What are we taking? Sarvabhauma. Hey, what are we taking? What are we eating? This is Krishna Prasad. It's Jagannath Prasad. But there's black pepper here, there's sugar here, there's wheat, there's so many things here. These are very ordinary things. But what is the special taste in this prasadam? Then all his devotees say, well, we don't know, maybe you can tell us. Then Lord Chaitanya in Radha he starts talking about the taste of Krishna's lips. And he goes, oh, this is eroticism. And it's all about eroticism. I want to take you back to the banks of Lord Chaitanya is dancing in front of the carts in Jagannath. He's taking Jagannath to Vrindavan, Gundicha, the gardens of Gundicha. There are so many gardens and beautiful, the Orissa type gardens, those kind of